Hi everyone, I'm Ms. Linus. I'm your Dean of Students here at Pioneer Academy. And I'm happy to announce that this year on November 14th, we celebrated our very first Unity Day. Unity Day is a day that we hope to become a tradition here at Pioneer. It's a day that students learn and practice inclusion, how to get along with one another, how to get rid of biases, and also to make sure that they are getting to know their classmates. So on Unity Day, our students were able to spend some time together in the morning having breakfast, and also had the time to go on bonding field trips with one another. In the morning, they also had a guest speaker, Mr. Anthony Valentine, came to visit with us and spoke to us about building bridges and not building walls, how to turn our experiences into moments that can be useful in learning about one another. So his message about learning what is underneath your skin and learning who you are, I hope is a message that our students take with them beyond this week, beyond this year, and into the future, so that they can learn from one another, they can learn how to love one another, and they can learn how to build friendships with one another. So Unity was awesome. It was a great day. I hope everyone had a lot of fun, and I hope to celebrate future Unity Days with everyone here at Pioneer. Happy Unity Day, guys.
Hello everyone, my name is Tasneem Al-Kiswani. I'm a senior and I'm president of the National Honor Society. I'm excited to share some highlights from our recent experiences at school that truly brought us together. We had an inspiring guest speaker, Anthony Valentine, talk about the power of unity, reminding us that we're stronger when we stand as one. We enjoyed breakfast together, fostering connections beyond the classroom. This set the tone for a fantastic field trip that strengthened the bonds within our school community. Amidst the stress of final exams, Unity Day provided a much-needed break. It reminds us that we're not alone in our challenges and that together we can overcome anything. As we face upcoming exams, let's carry this spirit of unity with us.
What's up, Pioneer Academy? As you already know, my name is Anthony Valentine. Yes, like the holiday, and no, I wasn't born on Valentine's Day. I already told you about the heartbreak in 8th grade, so I guess I don't need to do that again. But I just wanted to say it's been an honor. It's been amazing to have spent the day with all of you. We had some great conversation on this here day called Unity Day. It was amazing to be able to spread compassion, to be able to spread joy, to learn about what it is that you all aspire to be in the world, how you wish to contribute, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful. And I'm so happy that I was able to be a part of today. It's my hope that the words that I shared are able to resonate with you, are words that you'll be able to use and apply into your daily lives, and are words that you'll be able to share with somebody else who was not here today. Do one act of kindness, do several acts of kindness, spread compassion, break down those walls and build bridges, and most importantly, learn who you are beneath your skin, because who you are will contribute to the world, to your community, and to Pioneer Academy every day that you step foot here. Peace and love. Can't wait to see y'all again. Peace.
Hi, Pioneer Academy. My name is Bryce Watkins, and I'm a junior.
Hi, I'm Lorelei Panova, and I'm freshman class president. The purpose of Unity Day was about inclusion of people across the school and school spirit.
It was also about celebrating people's differences and school spirit. It was a fun way to get together as a class and enjoy each other's company.
It was a day designated to getting to know one another and meet new people. Mr. Valentine was a really relatable public speaker. We laughed and also learned valuable lessons about bringing down the walls we build.
He also spoke about being comfortable in your own skin and how that really means something to some people in the school. It was a great day providing us with new experiences. Thank you.
Thank you, Pioneer Academy, for providing us with a wonderful Unity Day.
We look forward to everyone using the tools that they learned to learn about one another and hopefully to build friendships that can last a lifetime. So happy Unity Day, Pioneer.